Good morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are called mixed to maybe a little bit higher. It's one of those unique days in which after a holiday we don't have any overnight trade to give us indication of what's happening. Certainly on Friday we saw the bean, oil, meal, and a little bit of the corn market lower. Funds sold about 7,000 beans, 3,000 meal, 2,000 oil, and 1,000 corn. And they bought about 2,000 wheat. The wheat buying was because of increased Russian attacks on Odessa ports. There's also talk that maybe Ukraine might offer some export taxes to increase revenues, which could slow their exports. Down in South America, kind of a mixed forecast. It's still raining too much in southern Brazil. Argentina weather is fine. There is a little break in in northern and central Brazil rainfall, but the long-range maps do bring some rain back. Got export sales today. Beans 800 to 1.8 million tons of soybeans versus 3.9 last year. Meal sales 100 to 500 versus 144 last week, but there is talk that Argentina crush is right now down to only 25% of capacity due to lack of beans, and that could offer some support to the meal market at this 435 area on the Jan. 700 to 1.6 million tons of corn last week was 1.8. 125 to 450,000 tons of wheat last week was 176. Along with the lower crush capacity in Argentina, there's also farmers not selling, waiting for a possible devaluation of their currency, and then the possibility that the new president may drop export taxes. So no farmers selling in Argentina whatsoever. We also note that the U.S. weather is mostly dry with cool temperatures. It looks like it'll continue to be dry over the Midwest, with showers in the southern part of the country, which is very El Nino-ish. So we'll see down the road if that offers any support to especially wheat, if the hard red winter wheat areas are mostly dry. So again, it's Black Friday. Go out and shop. Electronics, clothes, toys for kids. And it's interesting how over the last few years the spreading of shopping has gone more towards the internet and versus rushing into a store and buying things that are on sale. So we're watching pretty closely consumer demand during this time and how it affects markets. Stocks right now a little bit higher, dollars lower, crude's lower, and gold is higher.